Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share an information with you that is worth thousands of nairas. A lot of you have come into my DM asking what kind of online business you can do that can make you to earn in hard currencies. Now, this is an opportunity that I've brought to your doorstep, right? And I'm going to be showing you things that you really need. This platform is, let me say, is all you need. I don't want to over exaggerate. Is all you need to start making that money that you want to make online. It is all you need, and I'm going to be showing you a lot about this platform today. And before I begin to show you, I've seen some people come like they want to make money, they don't know how to do it. Now, making money also needs education. So whatever platform that wants to show you how to make money, if they cannot teach you how to do it, it is not the right platform. So now, if I'm going to be showing you this platform that you can make money on this platform, you should know that, or you should be rest assured that this platform will teach you each and everything that you need to know in order to start making that money that you want to make. Do you understand now? So there is a part of learning, and then you now earn. There is this funny thing, like you have to learn first, then remove the hell and you start earning. That is very, very important. So guys, I don't want you to approach this with a get rich quick mindset. I want you to approach it with the mindset that you need to learn first, and then earning will be very, very easy for you. And this is one thing that this platform that I'm about to show you offers for you. Now, let's just check. I'm going to be taking my time to show you each and everything you'll be learning if you decided that you're going to be going along with this platform, right? Now, you can see that in few weeks, I've been able to earn £40 for myself. In few weeks, I've been able to earn £40 for myself, and that is just because of the level of commitment that I've given to it. If I've given it a more level of commitment, then I must have earned more. Do you get now? So now let's patiently follow this video, and you are going to be having answers to a lot of your questions about what to do to start making money online. And then I'm going to be giving this disclaimer. What you will need to do is to watch this video to the end. If after you watch it to the end, everything that you'll be learning on this platform in order to start making money, if it does not resonate with you, don't bother doing it at all, right? It's going to be taking a lot of learning from your home part. And if I said now that it's going to be taking much effort from you, that is to say that because many of us are not used to at least putting in some efforts in order to make money, and I don't know where we learn that from. The normal principle in anything is you have to put in effort for you to get something in return, right? Okay, so let's just get into it. Now, I'm going to be showing you, this is my own dashboard. I'm going to be showing you what this platform has to offer you. Now, we are going to be seeing, now check, now we have this course. We are checking this SDM course, guys. I want to be showing you what this platform has for you in order to start learning. So I'm going to be showing you everything that this platform will be teaching you that will position you to start earning in digital space. Now, guys, look at this. The first thing is this introduction to SM course. Like the first lesson. Now, let me see this. Look at this. This platform is going to be teaching you everything you need to know up to lesson 39, and then now offer you certificates. Guys, like the certificate alone can position you to begin to work with international companies. And I'm real, guys. Like I'm telling you the truth. I've done this course myself. I have my certificate, and it satisfied me as digital sales consultant and AI expert. Digital sales consultant and AI expert. Guys, do you hear what I said? If you know how to position yourself, you can work with international clients, being a digital sales consultant and AI expert, right? So this platform is going to be teaching you everything that you need to know in order to start earning, right? We have 39 lessons. Now, look at what I said. If you're not ready to put in the effort to watch these 39 lessons, don't bother coming in it, right? So that is it. Now, look at it. That's it. The first lesson is we are going to be having introduction to the course, and then you're going to be joining the community VIP. Next lesson, the person is going to be showing you how you went from being broke to becoming a millionaire. Sometimes all of these things is needed. You need to see people that has went from where you are to where you desire to be. Now, when you see the possibility of you moving from where you have to, your mind will be open that it is possible for you to, right? So if he can do it, any other person can as well do it. Then you're going to be learning about mindset, which is the foundation to digital wealth. And then you're going to be learning, understanding the business of affiliate marketing. If you have been earning affiliate marketing the wrong way, you're going to be learning it the correct way here. common words used in affiliate marketing. I mean, quite a lot. Okay, let me just take my time to show you everything. Focus, product selection and market research. Understanding your profits back dashboard. Roadmap to £1,000 in 90 days as a complete new book. Now, this is interesting, guys. Even when you don't know anything in your life space, you'll be taught. Now, you will be taught. Guys, I want you to begin to understand that everything starts from your mindset. Don't say you don't know. You don't, if you don't know, you need to learn. When you learn, you will know. Do you really understand what I'm trying to say? How to set up sales process. Part one, part two. I mean, should I keep showing you a lot of it? Smartphone landing sales page design. Like you're going to be learning how to design sales page design with your smartphone. Guys, I tell you, this skill alone is something you can freelance on, like you can monetize it on its own. Businesses are looking for how they can create their sales page and all that. How to set up WhatsApp autoresponder and auto sales apps. Introduction to lead generation. Guys, you'll be learning all of this. You will learn how to get free traffic from Facebook and Twitter. I don't know if I should keep going or I should just stop here. The essence of this video is that, guys, you need to learn what you need to know in order to start making money. I've said this before. Making money is a journey. There is a path that leads to where you are going. You have to be committed to following that path in order to get to where you are going, right? So if you don't follow that path, you can't get to where you are going. There is a designated path that leads to whatever it is that you're looking for. And this is a general principle. If you're looking for something, don't aim at that thing. Understand the system around it. Understand the path and begin to take that path. Naturally, life will respond to you when you are doing the right thing. Do you get, guys? At this, even when you come on board. Now, and I'm going to be saying a little bit about this platform now. They do 80% of the work for you as an affiliate marketer, as a digital marketer. Is it that you're coming to offer a product or you want to promote people's products? They do 80% of the job for you. Look at what you have here. They're going to be giving you a WhatsApp class script. Like you're going to be having scripts. So all you need to do if you want to hold a WhatsApp class is to just copy and paste. Copy and paste. You can imagine that. Then you're going to be taught how to have a high converting WhatsApp class status adverts. WhatsApp instant buyers converter. TikTok must make me money blueprint. I mean, many of you want to know how to monetize your TikTok, how to make money from TikTok. Right in this course, you will learn how to make money from TikTok. Now look at this, guys. Introduction to Facebook and Instagram ads. This also is something that you can monetize. Businesses are looking for somebody that will help them to run ads each and every day. So if you become a master at Facebook ad, then you'll make money for the rest of your life, guys. You guys see this now? Smartphone AI course. Now this is like a bonus for this. If you are living in this life, like if you are really living, if you are seeing what is going on in the internet, you'll have seen that AI has taken the ground. And you'll be learning everything about AI right in this course, guys. Right in this platform. You'll be learning everything. Do you see this? And then guys, do you see this? You can download your certificate. This is my own. I've gotten my own. I've completed the course. I've gotten my own. And of course, after earning on the platform. Before I before I open on this platform, I've been freelancing and I've made quite a lot of money freelancing, right? But I find out that marketing is a skill that everybody should have, especially when you are building something. Whatever it is that you are building, it's important that you understand what marketing is all about. If you don't understand marketing, at least you must have money that can buy marketing, that can buy people that can do it for you, right? So it is an important skill. And I have to like, okay, so far I know that I've been freelancing and I'm like, what's the next big thing that I need to learn? I know quite well that it's going to be marketing. Now, it's affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing, digital marketing, you can't do affiliate marketing without learning marketing. So for me, I'm using it to learn everything about marketing. And in the process, I'm also making money. What do you think, guys? I think that makes a lot of sense, right? And guys, imagine how much you have to get this course. Imagine how much this course is being sold. It is just 10,000 naira. Guys, just 10,000 naira. This is really, really amazing. Just 10,000 naira, and guys, you will have access to the course, to the platform. You have access to a lot of digital products that you can promote. You have access to quite a lot. Personally, I will be teaching you faceless Instagram marketing, faceless marketing. If you are the type like I don't want to show my face, personally as a bonus, if you are serious, because people that I'm looking for, people that are serious, that are ready to put in the work, I'll personally be teaching you how I've been building my own Instagram account without showing my face, like faceless digital marketing, right? I'll be showing you that. And that is if you are serious. Now, if you watch this video to this time, it will have at least show that you are serious. Now, to have access to the platform and to the course is just 10,000 naira. Like, it is not free. Don't come into my DM and be asking if it is free or not. It is 10,000 naira. You have access to the platform, you have access to my own mentorship, I will hold your hand. Like I just love people that are serious. Like I actually want to prove points to people that are not serious. So if you are serious and you come on board with me, I'll be holding your hands on until you start earning. Right? Like, and you have to be, disclaimer is that you must put in the effort. If you're ready to put in the effort, you are going to have it. Now, one thing that the platform will even do for you, like I have mentioned before, is that they will do 80% of the work for you. And one of the work they'll be doing for you is that they'll be giving you materials that you can post on your WhatsApp status. Guys, if you are serious, you will learn how to turn your TikTok to a money making machine, your Instagram, your WhatsApp. You will learn how to turn them to a money making machine, guys. If you are serious, if you are not serious, please don't come into my DM. The course is going to cost you 10,000 naira. So if you're ready to learn, like somebody was making a comment. I was like, okay, he has interest to join the platform, but he does not know who to sell to or how to sell. And I'm like, what do you think you're coming to learn? You're coming to learn how to sell, man. So the point is, you just come, learn, and start making money. But the learning part has to be there. You have to start. You have to start with learning, and then you start earning, guys. I want the best for you guys.